there is divine justice coming in for you. This justice card is a card of remembering everything that you have accomplished, everything that you have overcome, everything that you didn't think you would make it through, you made it through. So the Justice card is here encouraging you to keep going forward because you have royal justice. There's a crown here symbolic of your positioning in the universe. And it's positioned very highly ranked because you are someone who will always give to the purpose of benefiting others. We have a judgment card. This judgment card is a celebration as well as a transformation. The vibrations that are coming out here are vibration of higher dimensions. It's your ancestors, it's your guides. They are vibrating with you. And a heightened energetic shift within has happened because you are transforming majorly, and this is gonna impact how you create in this world. And the evolution has gotten to a point where you're ready to transform your life into a loving family, manifesting a partner that is aligned to who you are, who sees you for who you are today, and will also vibrationally support you just like you will support them. I see growth and manifestations, synchronicities, and creations happening in the near future for you. Some synchronicities are look out for the numbers that represents themselves for you. There might be some deeper meaning in the angel numbers, and also be aware of the signs that the universe keeps sending you because you are secure now. You are the Empress, and the Empress holds the value of compassion for self, compassion for others, and satisfied of what is happening because she's manifesting from the sideline, and the masculine energy within her is creating the ripple effect in the real world. So there's this feminine and masculine energy within this Empress.